In this video, we'll learn how to edit exploded views. We'll move the components that haven't been exploded yet. We created the exploded view in the previous lesson. If you're in the explosion mode, you'll see this button in the quick access bar. Click it. Let's add one more step. In this step, we'll move the handle to the right. Select the appropriate direction. Select the handle components. Let's move the component. Select the remaining handle components. Increase the distance to -250. Create a new step. Select the guiding object. Select the moving jaw and set the distance to 180. Select the screws and the nut. Add a step. The direction will be the same. Move the prism. One more step for the inserts. Repeat the same for the opposite side yourself. Move the left moving jaw with the screws and the nut, the prism with the insert to the opposite direction. You will need to add 3 new steps. Add one more step. Move the nut and these screws. We don't have enough space here. Let's find the step with the handle and enlarge the distance. Return to the last step. Adjust it. So you can correct the steps, add components, exclude them, or change the distance to get the exploded view that you need. Confirm the command. Save the document.